if you're restricted on Messenger. So there are some ways in how to know that you're restricted on Messenger. It's either you cannot reach the person is active, but this person is not viewing your message or not answering your call. So it's either you are restricted or you were ignored by this person. Okay, so as you can see here, this is my second account, and what I'm going to do here is to restrict this one. So to restrict someone, you just have to click the person's name or go to that specific conversation, and then once you tap the conversation, you have to click that icon above, tap that one, and then scroll down to see this restrict option here. So tap this one. As you can see, it's now restricting, and my second account is now restricted. Now what I'm going to do here is to simply open my second account, and let's see what does it looks like if I'm going to call my main account. This main account has restricted the second account. So as you can see now, if you're going to message that person who have restricted you, that person will no longer see your message. Okay, so even if that person is active and that person is not replying to your message, and you can see that the check mark is color blue and it's not empty, that means the person has received the message, but he or she preferred not to view that one. So you're either ignored or restricted. Another thing, if you try to call this person and it's ringing, but then again, this person didn't pick your call. So again, maybe you were ignored or you're restricted by this person. And that's how you know that you were restricted by someone on Messenger. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next tutorials.